Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Daisy, and today I want to start with a question for Alex.
Uh-oh. A question. Should I be nervous?
When was the last time you did something just for fun? Not for work, not for money, just fun.
Hmm. Daisy, that's actually a hard question.
I know, that's why I'm asking.
Hi, everyone, by the way. I'm Alex. And Daisy is making me think too early in the morning.
Welcome to Daily English Listening Stories, friends. Today we're talking about hobbies.
Okay, let me think. Just for fun. I think it was last Sunday. I drew something for 2 hours.
Wait, you draw?
Not well, but I draw.
What did you draw?
A tree outside my window. I sat by the window with a pencil, and I just drew.
That's lovely. Was it good?
No, it looked like a green cloud on a stick.
A green cloud on a stick. That's the cutest description.
But here's the thing. I didn't care. I felt so calm.
That's the magic of hobbies, right? You don't have to be good at them.
Exactly. Nobody pays me. Nobody grades me. The tree doesn't complain.
The tree doesn't complain. I love that. Hey, that phrase you just said, I didn't care. That's a great one.
Yeah?
Yes, I didn't care doesn't mean you are mean or rude. It just means it wasn't important to you. Like the picture wasn't important, the feeling was.
Right. You can say, I didn't care if it was perfect. It's a very useful phrase.
Try using it today, everyone.
Okay, Daisy, your turn. What's your hobby right now?
Oh, I have a new one. I'm learning to bake bread.
Bread. Really? That's serious.
Very serious. I bought flour, yeast, a big bowl, everything.
And how is it going?
Well, let me tell you about my first try.
Oh no. I have a feeling this is going to be good.
So, last Saturday, I followed the recipe carefully. I mixed the flour, I waited 2 hours, I shaped the bread, I put it in the oven,
Sounds perfect so far.
and then I forgot about it.
Daisy, no.
I started watching a movie. 1 hour passed. Then my kitchen started to smell like a campfire.
Oh no, the bread.
It was black, completely black, like a small rock.
A bread rock?
My cat looked at it, then looked at me, and walked away. She was disappointed in me.
Even the cat judged you. That's painful.
It was. But you know what? I tried again on Sunday, and the second one was actually okay.
See? That's the thing about hobbies. You fail, you laugh, you try again.
Yes, and nobody dies. It's just bread.
Nobody dies, it's just bread. That should be on a t-shirt.
I'll put it on my next loaf.
Okay, so why do you think hobbies matter so much, Daisy?
I think they give us something that's just ours.
What do you mean?
Like work belongs to your boss, family time belongs to your family, but your hobby, it's only yours.
That's true. Nobody can take it from you.
Exactly. And I think we need that, a small space that's just for us.
I agree. But here's a question. Do you think we need to be productive in our hobbies?
What do you mean by productive?
Like, do we need to make something? Sell it on Etsy, post it on Instagram?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Really? I'm not sure. I sometimes feel like if I draw, I should improve.
Alex, no, that's the work brain talking.
The work brain?
Yes, the brain that always wants results. A hobby doesn't need a result.
I see your point, but it's hard to turn off, you know?
I know, I do it too sometimes. I think maybe I should sell my bread.
And then?
And then I remember the black rock and I stop thinking that.
Good plan.
Hey, while we're laughing, if this conversation is making your morning a bit lighter, hit that like button and follow daily English listening stories so we can keep your week funny.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, what's your hobby? Even if it's something silly.
Especially if it's something silly.
Okay, let's keep going. Daisy, did you have hobbies as a child?
Oh, yes, so many. I used to collect stones.
Stones? Like rocks?
Yes, I had a small box. Every walk, I picked up one stone. I had maybe 60 stones.
That's a lot of stones. Why stones?
I don't know. They felt special to me. Each one had a different shape.
That's actually beautiful.
What about you? What did young Alex love?
Honestly, I made small stories with my action figures.
Oh, like a little movie?
Exactly. I gave them voices, I made fights, I made friendships. I had a whole world on my bedroom floor.
That's so cute. Do you still do anything like that?
Well, drawing is kind of similar. It's making something from nothing. Just me and a piece of paper.
See, that's interesting. Maybe our childhood hobbies never really leave us.
They just change clothes.
Oh, I love that. They just change clothes. That's a nice way to say it.
Thanks, I just made it up.
Quote of the day. Write it down, everyone.
Okay, let me ask. Do you do hobbies alone or with people?
It depends. Bread is alone, but I also have a hobby with my friend Lisa.
Oh, what is it?
We do puzzles together. Big ones, like 1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. That's intense.
It takes us weeks. We meet on Sunday afternoons, we drink tea, we complain, we laugh.
That sounds perfect, actually.
It is. The puzzle is just an excuse to spend time with her.
That's a great point. Sometimes the hobby is the door, but the friendship is the room.
Wow, Alex, that's a good one too.
I'm on fire today.
Don't get too proud.
For me, hobbies are usually alone. Drawing, walking, reading.
You're more of an introvert.
Yes, I love people, but I need quiet time too.
That's healthy. Both kinds of hobbies are good.
Hey Daisy, can I tell you something funny that happened on my walk yesterday?
Always.
Okay, so I was walking in the park listening to music, and I saw a man doing Tai Chi alone under a tree.
Oh, peaceful.
Very peaceful. So I sat on a bench and watched him for a while.
Like a creep.
No, from far away, respectfully.
Sure.
And I started to copy his movements, just sitting on the bench, moving my arms slowly.
Alex, no.
Yes, and then he saw me.
Oh no, what did he do?
He smiled and he waved at me, like, come over.
Did you go?
I did. I joined him for 15 minutes.
That's amazing. New hobby found.
Maybe. My arms hurt today, though.
Welcome to your new aging body.
Daisy, please.
Sorry. But seriously, that's a beautiful story. You found a hobby by accident.
Yeah, I'm going back next Sunday.
Now, here's a question for everyone listening. Have you ever picked up a hobby from a stranger?
Or from a friend? Or from a movie?
Tell us in the comments. We read them.
Daisy, do you think hobbies can change a person?
Yes, I really do.
How?
Well, my friend Marco started running last year, just 20 minutes a day.
Okay, simple.
But after 6 months, he was different. He was more calm, he smiled more,
Just from running?
just from running. I asked him about it. He said, "It's not the running, it's that I do something for myself every day."
Oh, that's deep.
Yeah. He said before, every day was for other people. Now, 20 minutes is for him.
I love that. It's not the activity, it's the time.
Exactly. A hobby is really just time you give yourself.
That hit me, Daisy.
I know. Marco changed the way I think about it.
Time you give yourself. That's the real definition.
And here's the funny thing. Most of us don't do it. We give time to work, to family, to phones, but not to ourselves.
Guilty.
Same. That's why I started baking. It's my Give Myself Time project.
Even if the bread is black.
Even if it's black, the time was still mine.
Beautiful. Okay, before we wrap up, I want to give one tip.
Go for it.
If you don't have a hobby right now, don't panic. Don't search best hobbies for adults on Google.
That's so specific.
Just notice, what do you naturally stop and look at? Plants, cars, old books?
Start there.
Yes, your hobby is probably already calling your name.
That's a good closing thought, Alex.
And here's a small thing. Calling your name, that's a nice phrase. It means something is asking for your attention.
Like, the kitchen is calling my name, meaning I'm hungry.
Or that book has been calling my name for weeks, meaning I really want to read it.
Use it this week, friends.
Okay, Daisy. Last question. Are you going to bake bread this weekend?
Absolutely. And this time, I'm setting a timer.
Smart girl.
And you?
Drawing in the morning, Tai Chi in the afternoon. Big plans.
Look at us, two people with hobbies.
Two slightly happier people.
That's the real point, isn't it?
Yes, hobbies don't need to be big. They just need to be yours.
Beautiful. Friends, thank you for spending time with us today.
If this episode made you think of an old hobby or a new one, drop a comment and tell us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories for more chats like this.
Until next time, take care of yourself.
And give yourself 20 minutes today, just 20, for something fun.
Bye for now, friends.
Bye bye.